You've already seen how much ChatGPT can do on its own. But here's where things get even more exciting. When you combine ChatGPT with the right tools, you unlock superpowers like faster design, better organization, automated delivery, and scalable content creation. In this slide, I'll walk you through some of the best tools to combine with ChatGPT, tools that are either free or beginner-friendly, and how they can multiply your productivity. Let's get into it. Number 1. Canva. Design anything you write. ChatGPT plus Canva equals content machine. Let's say you use ChatGPT to write a social media caption, draft a list of journaling prompts, create a mini ebook outline, generate headlines for a landing page. You can take that text and drop it directly into Canva, where you'll find templates for Instagram carousels, lead magnets, PDFs, workbooks, printable planners, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, and more. It's drag and drop. It's free, and it makes your words look professional. Number 2. Notion. Organize your brain and business. ChatGPT plus Notion equals digital product factory. Use ChatGPT to generate database structures, write SOPs, standard operating procedures, draft lesson outlines, create content calendars, format coaching templates or dashboards, paste it all into Notion, and now you have a ready-to-sell productivity system, a personal knowledge base, a client onboarding hub, a digital product you can duplicate and sell. Bonus: you can export and share Notion templates on Gumroad. Number 3. Google Docs/Sheets. Fast formatting and delivery. Sometimes you just want simple. ChatGPT gives you the words, and Google Docs or Sheets help you format it into a guide or cheat sheet. Turn a list into a checklist. Create a prompt library to share. Build a spreadsheet-based tracker or budget planner. Docs are easy to update, collaborate on, and share. Sheets are amazing for turning AI output into tools like planners, lead trackers, or content calendars. Number 4. Gumroad. Sell what you create. ChatGPT plus Gumroad equals quick monetization. After you use ChatGPT to create a guide, a checklist, a caption pack, a mini course, upload it to Gumroad with a short product description, a price, a simple cover made in Canva. Boom, you've just created something you can sell. You can also use Gumroad for free downloads to grow your audience. Number 5. ChatGPT mobile app. AI in your pocket. Don't forget, ChatGPT is mobile. You can dictate ideas, ask it to summarize a voice note, get post ideas while walking, turn ideas into captions from your phone, access your prompt sheet wherever you are. This makes AI part of your real-time workflow, not just a desktop tool. Pick one tool to combine. You don't need to master all of them right away. Start with the one that fits your workflow or goal. Want to create content? Start with Canva. Need to stay organized? Try Notion. Selling something simple? Use Gumroad. Sharing with a team or audience? Use Google Docs. Working on the go? Use the ChatGPT app. You'll be amazed at how these pairings simplify your life and amplify your results.
You've come a long way in a short time. You now know how to use ChatGPT to save time, create faster, and even start earning online. You've got the tools, the prompts, the strategy. And now you're probably thinking, how do I go further with this? Great question. This final extra slide is all about helping you expand your skills and make ChatGPT part of your long-term success strategy. Let's talk about how to take the next step without overwhelm. Number 1. Consider upgrading to ChatGPT Plus. The free version of ChatGPT is powerful, and it's what this entire course is built around. But if you're using it regularly, upgrading to ChatGPT Plus GPT-4 Turbo can offer some serious advantages. More accurate and creative responses. Access to tools like file uploads, browsing, and image input. Memory features so it remembers your preferences. Faster replies during peak times. Better formatting and structure for content-heavy tasks. If you're creating digital products, writing content for clients, or using AI in your daily work, this upgrade often pays for itself quickly. Number 2. Build a personal toolkit. Now that you've seen how tools like Canva, Notion, and Google Docs pair with ChatGPT, take it one step further. Create a Notion dashboard with your prompt library. Build your own template folder in Google Drive. Save all your best prompts in categories. Start tracking which AI-generated content performs best. This isn't about adding complexity. It's about building your own AI system. Number 3. Keep learning. You don't need to become an AI expert, but staying curious will help you stay ahead. Here are some simple ways to continue learning. Follow creators who share AI tips on LinkedIn, YouTube, or Twitter. Subscribe to newsletters about productivity and digital tools. Test new use cases every week: writing, planning, coaching, sales, support. Try ChatGPT plugins and tools if you're on the Plus plan. The more you explore, the more use cases you'll find. Number 4. Join a community. Whether it's Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or online communities for creators or freelancers, sharing your wins and prompts with others helps you. Stay motivated, get feedback, discover new prompt styles, stay up to date with tools and trends. You don't have to do this alone. There are thousands of others learning how to work smarter with AI, just like you. Number 5. Reflect on your progress. Ask yourself, how much time have I saved this week with ChatGPT? What did I create that I'm proud of? Which prompts do I now reuse weekly? What's one thing I'll launch or publish next? Progress comes from small wins repeated over time. And you've already got the momentum. Wrap up thought. You don't need to master everything at once. You just need to stay in motion. Use what you've learned. Refine what works. Ignore the rest. And grow your results over time. You now have the AI assistant you never knew you needed. So the only question left is, what will you build next? In the final module, I'll recap what you've learned and leave you with clear next steps and encouragement. Let's finish strong.